on YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's had a great Monday, starting off their work week, school week, whatever it is that you do. Just make sure you do what you do at your best. Because at the end of the day, that's all that matters. And yeah, starting off the week right, man. You know, had to get up stupid early, wake up at 5:30, be at work all day, get off around about 5. You know what I'm saying? Get home, eat, you know, gym at lunch, all that regular shit that I do throughout the day. And then when I get home, I try to bring y'all a banger. So you know what I'm saying? If y'all new to the channel, y'all just tuning in, man, this your first video with your boy, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for your boy, DaRetroWizKid, and join the sneaker dungeon family. It is greatly appreciated, y'all. I appreciate all the love and support, and I love each and every one of y'all. It does not go unnoticed. Let's try to get this video up to 50 likes. Hit it, splack it. Y'all already know how we do it over here, man. Splack that like button. Let's try to get this thing up to 50 likes. And drop a comment below and let me know if y'all got these kicks. Now, this pickup right here is being sponsored today by none other than my bro, BBOYLASPin. Appreciate you letting me do this unboxing, bro. This is a kick that I've always wanted to bring into the sneaker dungeon. I actually almost purchased this kick at Sneaker Mess when I was in Germany, but I ended up passing on it, and I'm probably gonna regret it now that when we do this unboxing, that I wish I had picked this up. But with that being said, y'all, here's my bro BBOYLASPin Instagram. Y'all head over there. Go ahead, y'all go ahead and splack that follow button for my bro, and let's get straight to this unboxing. Get in! Y'all already know how we finna rock. I got that Gerber thing, you know what I'm saying? And crack this box open real quick, y'all. Now what y'all think it is, man? It's a retro one, man. And I'm glad I was able to help assist my bro to get this shoe, man. He wanted this for his G-Day. And it's gonna get there in time. So there it is, man. This is one of those old Air Jordan boxes. We saw the Chicago ones in 2013 come out in this box. We had the UNC from 2013 come out in this box. Y'all tell me if y'all got any of these Jordan boxes in your collection. I do actually have a few over there in the ones collection. You know, but the Nike box is still a classic. But however, y'all, oh my gosh, man, after all these years, yo, we got all the little official as a whistle Stockx stuff. Y'all know I always show y'all that, but y'all, oh my gosh, that shit smell premium. Smell test approved by your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Now what ones do y'all think this is? I'm gonna let y'all think about that real quick. Cheater things, y'all already know, man, bro. These things are fuego, and I'm talking about fire flames, y'all. These things are fuego, man, and I'm talking about that smell, man. It's like that premium leather on these things, man. It kind of, man, you know what? We're gonna get these things up close and personal, and we're gonna talk about what DaRetroWizKid feel, how he feel about these shoes, and I want y'all to comment down below how y'all feel about these shoes. Let's get it. All right, y'all see them right there. We got the Jeter Air Jordan Retro 1, and man, these things are fuego, and I'm talking about fire flame. Starting off with the bottom of the shoe, you see you have that white sole, very nice, man. Coming around, you have that nice, this is like a premium blue type of leather on this shoe, which I think is very nice. At first I was gonna say it remind me of the Black History Month retro ones that came out about 2-3 years ago. Those were very soft. These are a little bit more stiffer than those. I do like how they gave us kind of a thicker type lacing system for this shoe. You see you have the Jeter right there in the gold. very nice, which complements the Air Jordan Wings logo, which also brings out that nice gold Jumpman. Now y'all know I am a sucker for tips, and we do have those gold aglets. As everybody gets mad when I just call them tips. They are aglets, y'all. So I'm going to use the proper name for y'all right there, just for all them trolls out there that be trolling. And I love how they, they hit us with the stripes to represent that baseball jersey right there for Derek Jeter. Very, very dope shoe. Very, very dope. I really don't think they're gonna bring this back, y'all. And then right there, you got that respect right there with the 2 on the inside, because you know that 2 was his number. And I just feel like this shoe right here, they gave us the Jeter 11 lows. They didn't give us the highs. Then they gave us a Flynet Jeter 1, which, I don't know, man. That was hit or miss. Some people, if you had the whole Jeter collection, I'm pretty sure if you were a huge Jeter fan, you probably picked those up as well. But I just feel like this one right here, this is the best Jeter that was publicly released. Now, I feel like that Jeter 11 high is stupid, and it's also stupid expensive. That would, I ain't got the money for that, you feel me? But y'all let me know how y'all feel about these Jeter 1s, man. I think that this is a very dope shoe. I feel like, I slept on it when I was in Germany, and I went to Sneaker Mess. I had a chance to get it. I was with my bro Lars, the Vintage and Flow, when I saw these, and I almost got these at Sneaker Mess, but I passed on them. But now that I have these in the dungeon and I'm looking at them again, this not only makes me want to pick these up, but I actually want to pick up those mellow ones, man. If y'all don't know, man, I've been one of those mellow ones as well. I still have 2 releases that I didn't pick up yet from Stockx that I told y'all that I would pick up last year, and y'all gonna see, man. I'm gonna get those, man. I gotta get those. It's just a lot of heat coming out right now. I picked up what I wanted to pick up in January because, it was a slow month. And now, we gonna get back to our basics. But y'all let me know what y'all think about these Air Jordan Jeter Respect Retro 1s, man. And, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Look at that. It's like a really good quality, y'all. I mean, these are definitely smell test approved by your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Get in! Alright, y'all, so there y'all have it. The full review, the unboxing from Stockx of the Derek Jeter 1 Respects. Y'all know, like I said, we have the Flynets that came out. They didn't sell like that, you know what I'm saying? We had the low Jeter 11 that didn't sell like that, and then you got that high Jeter 11 that nobody has enough money, nobody's willing to drop that money unless you like a rapper or a basketball player on them damn shits, and they stupid expensive and stupid limited, you know what I'm saying? So if you're willing to, pay that price, hey, and you got that bread, more powers to you. But I hope y'all enjoyed this review. I appreciate my bro BBOYLASPIN letting me give y'all this review, man. Very dope shoe, man. Like I said, man, y'all comment down below if y'all actually own this shoe, if y'all would pick this up, if it retroed again. I really want to know if you guys think this shoe will retro again. I don't see it retroing, man. They gave us the Flynet. Only thing I can see them doing is coming back with a white base with like white over blue or something like that. Maybe reversing the shoe, but who knows, man? Maybe Jordan Brand might make us feel good and retro it again. But who knows, man? If y'all new to the channel, man, and y'all made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy DaRetroWizKid and join the Sneaker Dungeon family. It is greatly appreciated. We're on the race, the 10,000 subscribers, y'all. I appreciate all the love and support. Y'all head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, posting them pictures for y'all. Over on Twitter at Wiz_retro. And don't forget to splash that like button on my Facebook page at DaRetroWizKid. I appreciate the love and support, y'all. Y'all know what time it is, man. We about to spin them pictures because that's what we do over here at our best, man. And I'm going to catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. Get it!